We study mathematics in our daily life, but have you ever thought about the person who invented them? About how they were like, what they used to do, and what happened to them? A very warm welcome to everyone. Today we are talking about some crazy and shocking facts about mathematicians, which will blow your mind and make your eyes go. So make sure you stick till the end of the video and comment down below which one of these facts was most shocking for you. So without any further ado, let's just get started. We are starting with our list. On the number 5 we have the murder. I know we can't kill someone with this knife. A Greek mathematician Archimedes, who was very well known for his contribution in mathematics, was murdered by the hands of Roman soldier. So the story is, one day Archimedes was drawing a mathematical diagram in mechanics when one of the Roman soldiers went up to him and started dragging him to make him a prisoner. Initially Archimedes does not pay him any attention, but after some time he said to a soldier he need to finish working on this problem, and this got soldier really angry. He got so angry on this statement that he killed him with his sword. And that's how Archimedes died. Which is really sad, thinking a mathematician was murdered by the soldier. And it really blows my mind, like, murder. Why someone would kill a mathematician? So let's move on to our number 4, which is a blindness did not stop him. It is a story about a Swiss mathematician, Leonhard Euler, who has to face many struggles in his life. So the story is like this. He lost the sight of his right eye at the earliest stage of his career because of overwork, and when he was 59, at that time he lost the sight of his other eye as well, and he became completely blind. That did not stop him from working on things which he really likes, which is theories. So he continued working on the theory and he completed the analysis on the theory of moon's motion. And the most amazing fact here is this, that he did all the complicated analysis in his mind. Without saying anything, without writing anything, he completed the analysis on moon's motion just in his mind. Which blows my mind. This story makes us realize that if we really want to do something, then nothing can stop us. So we should all take inspiration from this story and do things we like. So let's move to our number 3 on the list, which is the latecomer. Yes, you heard it right, the latecomer. He was like this. A student was late for his graduation level mathematics class, and when he went to the class, he saw 2 questions were written on the board, and he thought it was the weekly homework, and he noted them down in his notebook, and after a few days he submitted the solution of those 2 problems. The professor was kind of shocked. Then after a few weeks, the professor went to a student and said that his solution will be published right away, and the student was kind of shocked. Then the professor explained him the 2 questions which were written on the board was till that day the most difficult and unsolved problem in the statistics, and that student just solved them thinking that it was just a homework for weekly class, and that student was none other than George Dantzig. So that is how the unsolved theorem got proven. Now we are moving to number 2 on the list, which is a story of Eratosthenes. I'm really sorry if I'm pronouncing this wrong. The story is, more than 20,000 years ago, he calculated the circumference of Earth just by using ruler and his brain. And this blows my mind. Like, he calculated the whole circumference of the Earth just by ruler and using his brain. How shocking is that? Like, seriously, even after having all these calculator formulas and everything, I don't think I would be able to find the circumference of Earth in this day. And this man did it 2000 years ago, and just by using ruler. Oh my god, this is the most shockiest thing I find when I was searching for this. So finally we are moving on the top of the list, and this fact was most shocking for me. I really could not express on words how shocked I was when I read this article. This is the story of Australian mathematician Kurt Gödel, and he was so afraid of being poisoned that he only ate the food which was cooked by his wife. Then his wife got so ill that she has to be admitted in the hospital for 6 months. And on that time period, this mathematician refused to eat anything which other people were serving him, and he literally starved himself to death, but he did not eat. Like, this is so shocking that a person chooses to starve himself to death, but he won't eat anything which was served by someone else. But I have a question here. If he was so afraid of being poisoned, then why not cook himself? Like, he knows if he is the one who is cooking, then he could be sure that food was not poisoned. He should just have cooked himself instead of starving himself to the death. And when he was died, he was weighing 65 pounds. So that is it for today, guys. If you find any of the fact interesting or shocking, comment down below which one of these was your favorite, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. For that foods, this the side of his right eye at the now don't look at me. This story for weekly class, and that student was none other than